Today we're diving into a mouth-watering recipe, steak bites and potatoes. This dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, and one that my family loves. So let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about the steak. You're gonna need about 1 pound of beef, sirloin steak or tenderloin, or I love tri-tip. Trim off any excess fat or sinew because no one likes those funky bites. And then you're gonna slice those steaks into bite-sized pieces. Now that it's all cut up, it's time to marinate it for the maximum flavor. In a resealable plastic bag, or you could use a shallow bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon each of olive oil and Worcestershire sauce. Also 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Then half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then go ahead and give that a mix. Then we're gonna add in those steak cubes to the bag, not the counter here. We're gonna seal this up, or you can cover it if it's in a bowl. Squish it around a little bit, and then pop that into your fridge for at least an hour, or do it overnight. I like to prepare the beef in the morning time and let it sit in that marinade all day, so when it's time for dinner, it's ready to go. Now we need to prep our potatoes. Now what kind of potato do you want to use? It's up to you. I like using the waxy variety. They hold their shape really well and they have a creamy center when cooked just right. Or you could use a russet, and these bad boys brown up beautifully. Using about 2 pounds of potatoes, you just need to cut those into bite-sized pieces. To get these more tender, we're gonna boil them in salted water for about 10 minutes until they are fork tender. It's been about 10 minutes and our potatoes are fork tender, so we're gonna drain them, and now we can start putting our meal together. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, you're gonna give just a little drizzle of olive oil and get that heated up. The oil is shimmering and hot, so we're gonna add those marinated steak bites to it. Work in batches if you need to so that the steak bites are in a single layer. You don't wanna crowd the pan. You wanna make sure that steak is browned on both sides. Now that the steak is browned, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let the garlic toast for about 1 minute, and it's gonna smell amazing. Now add back in those cooked potatoes, give everything a toss, and let it brown together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Serve these sizzling steak bites hot with a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.